It's another beautiful bright day in Cologne. Weather's been absolutely gorgeous. Today we're going to the, I always get this wrong, it's not the Bionicle Garden, what's it called? Not the Bionicle Garden.
Botanical.
Botanical Garden. The Bionicle Garden cost 6 million quid. And they had the technology to rebuild it. But we're going a different way now. Normally we'd go that way, but this time we're going this way. Now you might say, what the hell are you thinking? Are you going to get yourself killed by a load of drunken zombies? But no, I think it gets better as we go along. We shall see. But here we go. This takes us around by the actual it takes us around the Roman wall that's left. Oh, it looks lovely around here. Oh yes, this is beautiful. How the other half live, eh? It's a lovely building here. Oh, it's very nice. It's full of litter and things. Oh, it's a shame. It's actually lovely, lovely building, and down here is where the old Roman wall is. So we got a bit of Rome here, but like I said, it's been one there. It's the guard towers here. Yes, there we go. The Rome Wall. Yeah, it's a shame that is, because it is actually it's nice not to be on the main road, but that bit there is just strewn with litter. There's two gentlemen there sitting lost to the world. So yes, oh dear. Life is cruel, isn't it, at times for people. So anyway, we're just round the corner, just round here is the actual the train, the trams. So yes, we've experienced it. I'm glad I experienced it in the daylight. I wouldn't like to walk down there at night. It's not unsafe, it'd just be a bit creepy. I feel very safe in this city, like I do everywhere, really. And the only place I wouldn't feel safe is cities in Britain. That's because I'm a naive fool, and I don't actually take things seriously enough to realise that I could be in danger. Here we go, here comes our train. Look at everyone going. Oh no, that's number 16, we don't want that one. Sit down again, Tina, sit down. We don't want the number 16, I thought it was we don't want that one. We want the number 18. Silly boy David. This is the one we need. And they come. I wonder if they know we're tourists. Oh, some spaces. Lots of spaces actually. They're going to be so empty. I know, it's a Saturday. So yes, to the floor garden. Well, I'd like to know them the Bionicles. Unfortunately, number 18 and 16 have gone down, so we're going to walk to the cathedral. We're going to walk to the floor park and then catch a tram back. Right, so now we're going to be doing total mind thing now, so we're going across Cologne without a plan.